I know how to learn online is just like pulling the moon into your room, but believe me, you can pull moon into your room. So how? According to this rule, 55% is body language, 38% is your tone, and only 7% are words. So how to do this? How to make your communication better? You will say web cameras are the solutions. We can use web cameras during online teaching and online learning. So, but there is a problem, that is network and bandwidth. You will instantly lose your bandwidth. What are the solutions for this? You need to fix your Wi-Fi. No, you do not need to fix your Wi-Fi. You just need to replace your Wi-Fi with an old Ethernet cables. But a question that will uh, come in your mind, that everybody is using mobile phone in our houses, in our universities. So how can we use Ethernet cables? If we will connect the Ethernet cable to our laptop or our PC, the other people will be disconnected. So don't worry, I have solution. You can use Ethernet boxes. So just connect one cable, that is input in this device, and you can get other 5 cables. And one important and most common and famous device is D-Link, that is it called also called Ethernet switch. And the next thing is practical work, experimental work. In this regard, you can see in online learning, practical work is next to impossible, I think so. But I will try how to make it possible. I will tell you how to make it possible. So you can see in this figure that someone is trying to learn how gear works in real world. But what happens? This, like this. Most probably you are feeling also like this, but I have a solution for this. So let's see first this. You can see the gears, how it is working, and it is crystal clear for you. You can also see the drawing in right side, and you can see the next thing, which is most complex thing in mechanical engineering, that is piston cylinder assembly. In piston cylinder assembly, the piston moves with 1500 per cycles, that you cannot see the motion of the piston. So in simulation, you can see the motion of a piston and the motion of the crankshaft and the connecting rods also. So simulation software that can you use for this is, one is waveform, and the second is CATS, and the third one is most famous Microsoft Flight Simulator. So at the end, I want to end my presentation with great quotation of Jim Quick from Mind Valley. If knowledge is power, then learning is your superpower. It was Gohar Bilal, 2020 ME67. Thank you so much.